Mastering English Phrases, Unpacking Final Run-Through. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, final run-through. This is a phrase you might encounter in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in both everyday and professional English communication. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of final run-through. The phrase, final run-through, is made up of two parts, final and run-through. Final means the last in a series or the end of a process. A run-through is a rehearsal or a review of something. So, final run-through refers to the last rehearsal or review of something before it is finalized or presented. 1. Theater and performances. In the world of theater, a final run-through is the last rehearsal before the opening night. It's crucial for ensuring that all elements of the performance, like acting, lighting, and music, are perfect. 2. Work presentations. In a corporate setting, a final run-through might be the last review of a presentation or project before presenting it to clients or colleagues. It's about making sure everything is in order and any errors are corrected. 3. Events planning. For event organizers, the final run-through is often the last check of the event's details. This could include the schedule, the setup, and coordination among team members. 1. Clarity in communication. Use this phrase to clearly indicate that you are in the last stage of preparation. It helps set the expectations for the level of readiness and attention to detail required. 2. Emphasis on importance. By specifying that it's the final run-through, you emphasize the importance of this stage and encourage thoroughness and focus. 3. Team preparation. In team settings, mentioning a final run-through prepares everyone to give their best effort, understanding that this is the last opportunity for improvements. That's all for today on the phrase, final run-through. Remember, it's a versatile term used in various contexts to signify the last stage of preparation or review. We hope this video has been helpful in enriching your English vocabulary and understanding. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.